Welcome to YesPlz ASMR. Ever wonder why shoppers can't find products on your site, even when you know you have them? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use tagging to improve your Shopify search performance. Let's start with a scenario most Shopify store owners are familiar with. A shopper visits your store and types in the search bar, let's say, wedding dress. But your products are titled bridal, maxi dress, or blooming long dress. The search terms totally differ from the product titles. So how do these products still show up in the results? We're using our fashion tagger then. In just 15 seconds, AI analyzes all visual attributes of the dress. It then turns them into rich, searchable text, also known as tags. For example, long length, romantic vibe, and wedding dress. You don't need to do anything manually to get these tags into your Shopify store. Once AI finishes generating tags, the tagging data syncs directly to your product catalog. On Shopify, these tags become metafields. To see this in action, go to your Shopify admin, click on a product, and scroll down to the metafields section. You'll find a set of YP fields, which stands for YesPlz fields, already filled in. So what does this mean for your business? These rich fashion tags function as search terms for each product. Shopify's search can pull from them when matching shopper queries. This is exactly how tagging improves your Shopify search performance. All relevant products will be returned without requiring exact keyword matches. And each becomes searchable in dozens of ways, by color, style, occasion, pattern, vibe, fit, or a combination of them. You won't need to change product titles or rewrite product descriptions to make that happen. Want to enhance your site search, boost conversions, and eliminate manual tagging? Schedule a demo today.